The BAC 167 Strikemaster is a jet-powered training and light attack aircraft designed and produced by the British Aircraft Corporation. The Strikemaster is essentially an armed version of the Jet Provost T-Make FIV-8 trainer. Various improvements and alterations were made to the aircraft, including an upgraded turbojet engine, wing hardpoints capable of carrying a wide variety of munitions, a pair of machine guns under the intakes, new communication and navigation gear, different electrical system, canopy breakers on the ejection seats, and a revised fuel system, including tip tanks on the wingtips. First flown in 1967, the aircraft was typically marketed as a light attack or counterinsurgency aircraft. However, the majority of customers were air forces seeking an advanced kind of trainer. The Strikemaster did see combat on multiple occasions in the service of Ecuador, Oman, and Yemen. A total of 146 aircraft were produced prior to the end of production, 1983. The type remains just flying into the 2020. Thank you for watching. Welcome to like and follow.